Brothers and sisters, today at Living Tree Community Foods, we're going to be making a very special hummus. A hummus unlike any other that's out there, and this is an avocado hummus. Who would have imagined? So basically, we're going to start by adding to a blender. We're going to be adding about a pound of garbanzo beans. With these garbanzo beans, I soaked them overnight. Then I poured off the soak water. I added fresh water. I put them in a pot, covered them with water, and then brought this to a boil, and then let them simmer for half an hour. So a pound of garbanzo beans, organic, but of course. Yeah. And then we're going to be adding some 2 cloves of garlic. And we're going to be adding a bit of water, maybe something in the order of 5 tablespoons or so, bit of water just to get this going. And then we will also add some, we're going to add some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And let's give this a blend. And now we're going to be adding an avocado. You could add 2 if you love avocados, as do we all. So avocado, here we go. So, and then we're going to be adding some tahini, like something in the order of 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 heaping tablespoons. That's 1, 2. Okay. Maybe add just a bit more water. And let's give it a blend and see where we're at. So there you have it. Avocado hummus. And you can use this, of course, on bread, on rolls, on bagels. You can use this as a dip with celery sticks, with carrot sticks, with apple slices, and with pear slices. You could use this in your pasta. So many uses. It's just magnificent, and it's so vital, healthy, and living. So, alive, organic, and delicious. Give it a try, my friend. Avocado hummus. Let us know. We love to hear comments, suggestions, and your criticisms. But of course, let's go forward in these times and make ourselves and use these precious moments to make ourselves more and more and more alive. Thank you, a privilege sharing some thoughts. Let's go forward.